Welcome to our YouTube channel, TechSteering. Welcome back to TechSteering. We're diving into a really cool area today, AI certifications.
Yeah, it's definitely a hot topic right now.
For sure. And it can be kind of overwhelming, right?
Yeah.
Let's start with Microsoft. They've got this Microsoft certified Azure AI Engineer Associate.
Right.
That sounds pretty intense.
It is. It's all about building and managing AI solutions, but on their Azure platform. So it's really practical, hands-on stuff like you're talking computer vision, natural language processing, even generative AI.
So you're not just learning the theory, you're actually building things.
Building and deploying real AI solutions, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It is cool. And, because it's so focused on Azure, you'll need to know their tools and components. So if you're interested in specializing in Azure AI, this is the one to go for.
Okay, so that's Microsoft. Now, what about Amazon? They're obviously a big player in the cloud space, too.
Huge player, yeah. Their AWS Certified AI Practitioner cert is a little bit different. This one focuses on just the foundational knowledge of AI and ML.
So this could be for, like, a wider range of people, not just like hardcore engineers.
Exactly. Anyone who wants to learn the basics of AI and how it can be applied.
So like someone in marketing or sales could even benefit from this.
Absolutely, yeah. Understanding how AI services work, identifying use cases, even just communicating about AI solutions with other people.
Got it.
So more of a broad foundational understanding.
That's interesting. I bet, that kind of knowledge probably leads to some pretty good earning potential, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, AWS did a study that found, people with AI skills can earn like up to 47% more. So, yeah. Compelling.
It's definitely compelling, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to Google Cloud. We saw they've got this Introduction to Generative AI course.
Yeah, this one's super interesting, especially with all the buzz around generative AI these days.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
It is. And this is a micro-learning course, so it's designed to be super accessible, even for beginners.
So it's like a crash course in generative AI, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Covers all the fundamentals, how it's different from traditional ML, and it even introduces you to Google's tools for building Gen AI apps.
So it's hands-on, too. You get to actually try some things out.
Yep, you get a taste of what it's like to actually develop with these tools. Plus, you get a shareable badge when you finish it up.
Oh, that's cool. I like that. Okay, now what about Intel? They're usually known for their hardware, but they have an AI certification too, right?
They do, yep. The Intel Edge AI certification. This one focuses on Edge AI, which is a rapidly growing field.
Right.
Basically, it's all about bringing AI processing directly to devices rather than relying on the cloud.
So like smartphones, sensors, robots, anything that needs to make decisions in real time.
Exactly. And the Intel certification is very hands-on. They walk you through the process of building and deploying Edge AI apps using their tools and platforms.
Okay, so that sounds like a good one if you want to get some practical experience in that cutting-edge area of AI.
For sure. Plus, the training is actually free.
Oh, nice. All right, let's wrap up this first batch of certifications with IBM. They have this IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, which, just the name sounds pretty comprehensive.
It is, yeah. It's designed for aspiring AI engineers, and it covers a ton of ground in just under 4 months. Machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, even how to deploy ML pipelines on Apache Spark.
Wow, that's a lot to cover.
It is. But you're really getting a deep dive into the core concepts of AI engineering. Plus, you get to work with all the popular tools like, SciPy, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, Keras, TensorFlow.
So you're saying this is like your boot camp for AI engineering?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, so we got a pretty diverse group of certifications here.
We do, and each one's kind of tailored to a different audience and a different set of goals. Like, it's a good snapshot of the current AI landscape.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's a really diverse landscape. And these certifications, they're your roadmap, your guide to this whole new world.
That's a great way to put it.
Well,
Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI certifications. We hope this has been helpful and maybe even inspired you to take that next step.
yeah, the most important thing is to just get started, Find something that interests you and dive in.
Great advice. Thanks for listening to TechSteering, and we'll catch you next time.